Hey guys, this is Justin with XLR8 Roofing. Just want to go over a quick scenario that I ran into with a homeowner. It's a friend of mine I met through my church. He said, hey, I've got everybody on my street getting new roofs. Every neighbor's getting one. Want to know if I've got some damage. Went out there, found wind and hail damage to the roof. I said, hey, this is something you do have some damage. You may want to get your insurance involved with this. And then when we got a report back, insurance is agreeing to pay for some repairs for some drywall damage in the garage and replace 46 shingles. Roof is estimated about 15 or 16 years old. So it's definitely time to get that one replaced. Being that it's Florida, those shingles are non-replaceable. Basically, they're just so dry and brittle. As soon as we try to take those apart and get them replaced, we're going to be damaging the shingles above. If you do get a denial or a partial denial, want a second opinion, contact XLR8 Roofing. We'd be happy to come out. We have the resources, we have the knowledge, we have the expertise to be able to provide you everything that you need. In the event you do get a denial, we can help you. We'll come out, give you an honest opinion on the roof and the damage that's there, and see if it's something that you do possibly need to take further or get additional assistance from an attorney. Again, this is Justin with XLR8 Roofing. Have a wonderful day.